Hi friends, I am Sunil Kumar. Today I am going to teach about how to calculate the quantity of steel from RC slab. On the sides, the quantity of steels are many problems to find out of that related to find. So I will try to very easily method to find out the quantity of steel from slab. So please watch the video to ends. First of all, on the drawing, the given drawing is RCC slab. These length and breadth are given. 3 meter is length and 2 meter is breadth. There 3 meter is length and 2 meter is breadth. In this slab, two bars are provided. One is main bars and other is crossbar. The main bar which are laid in short span. The bar which is laid in short span is called the bar which is laid in long span. Bar which is laid in long span is called crossbar. Slab's clear cover. Slab clear cover is 20 sorry 25 mm. Their clear cover is 25 mm, and also give data in drawing. Their main bars is dia is 12 mm. Their main bar data is 12 mm, and their center to center distance is 150 mm. Crossbar is 10 mm dia, and their center to center distance is 200 mm, and their clear cover is 25 mm, and thickness of slab is different, and there is 115 mm. Their thickness of slab is 150 mm. Solution. First of all, we calculate main bars of slab. Main bars are calculated to using this formula. Length of slab. First of all, we calculate length of slab. Length of slab minus 2 into clear cover. Length of slab minus 2 into clear cover is this length and this length clear cover. This length and this length is minus 2 total length minus total length is this length into this length. There and plus 1 divided by center to center distance of main bar is given 150 mm. 3 meter minus 2 into clear cover plus 1 divided by 0.15 is equal to 150 mm divided by 1000 mm is equal to 0.15 meter. 3 minus 0.05 divided by 0.15 plus 1 is equal to 2.95 divided by 1 divided by 0.15 plus 1 is equal to 20.66 is equal to 21 bar. Say, then we calculate total length of main bars. This is single bars. Main bars is single bars. Then we calculate all these of bars total length. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. All total length of main bar with a bar minus 2 into clear cover into number of bars. This length, this formula is this length. Total length is total width is 2 meter. Then we minus this length and this length, then come out length of main bar into multiply total number of bar, then find out the total length of main bar. 2 meter minus 2 into 0.25 into number of bars is equal to 40.95 meter. Total length of main bar is equal to 40.95 meters. Then similarly we calculate crossbar. The width of slab minus 2 into clear cover divided by center to center distance of crossbar plus 1. Similarly, we find out crossbar. The width of slab is equal to 2. We find out this length. Width of slab is 2 meter. Then we minus these clear cover and these clear cover plus 1 divided by center to center distance of crossbar. This formula, width of slab is 2 meter minus 2 into clear cover 0.025 divided by 0.20 is equal to their crossbar center to center distance is 200. Then change in meter divided by 1000 is equal to 0.20. Then this is calculated by 10.75 is 11 bars. Total length of crossbar, total length of crossbar is calculated by length of slab minus 2 into clear cover into number of bars. Their length is 3 meter. Length is 3 meter minus 2 into clear cover. 2 into clear cover into number of bars. Then calculated 32.45 meter. Total length of crossbar is 32.45 meter. Then we calculated in last weight of bars. Main bar. First of all, we calculate the weight of main bars. Their formula is d square divided by 162. Main bars dia is 12 mm. 12 square is 144 divided by 162 is equal to 0.888. Weight of steel is equal to total length of crossbar. Total length of crossbar is 40.95 meter. Then multiply by 0.88 is equal to 36.39 kg. The main bar is 36.39 kg. Then we calculate crossbar weight. Similarly, formula d square by 162 is equal to 10 square by 160. Their dia is 10 mm. Then we calculate weight of steel. Crossbar total length is 32.45 meter. Then multiply with 0.6172 is equal to 20.03 kg. Then we add cross bar weight and main bar weight. These are 36.39 plus 20.36 is equal to 36 plus 20 is equal to 56 kg. So thank you friends. Any have a problem, so comment in my video. Thank you.